What it do? How y'all doing today? You know, we back at it with another video. Today we back out the Civic Si, but we've made some modifications to the car. So first things first, we put a downpipe and a front pipe on this, a PLM downpipe, front pipe catted, of course. And we also tuned the car to a tune where it will push 22 PSI in sport mode, and then it will push regular boost settings in the normal mode, which is this one here. And it also, the gains, I'm not really sure how many we got, but the car definitely feels completely different. It feels like a completely different car now. The speed is just so much more linear. There's no really like cutoff point. Just keeps pulling. It just keeps pulling. So I am in love with this car once again. This car is beautiful once again. I like the speed. Everything is smoother. The handling's great. Just OEM handling with that. And the speed is just absolutely beautiful. You guys will see that here today. The gains, like I was saying, I'm not sure what the gains are. I would say potentially maybe 45, 55. That's what the website on the tune was saying. 45 to 55 wheel horsepower. I'm not really sure if that's true or not. I've not put this on a dyno. Eventually down the line, you know, we will get there as we progress with the vehicle. But hey, let's get straight into the video here today, man. All right. I'll also throw a little rev clip in here, exhaust rev clip for you guys. As well. So it also burbles a lot more too. So whenever I put it in first gear and I kind of in the first gear here. Yeah, you can hear those burbles right there. The car sounds pretty good now. It sounds more, has like a more throaty sound to it. Pause. Don't want the wind and stuff. But yeah, I'll do some pulls, you know, I'll kind of tell you guys how the car feels. If there are people out there trying to also mod their 11 gens SIs. I feel like it really made the car active now. I really like the way this thing drives. I'm really curious about what it can actually be in a roll race now, because I'm not really sure how to launch this car, but I could do the roll races. So I'm really intrigued in what this could be in roll races, and also how much faster is this than a stock SI. Potential videos. So it burbles a little bit more when I downshift. It's gonna burble a little bit more, not aggressively, of course, because it is a catted downpipe. In my tune, I don't have a burble tune. I just kind of have a tune to optimize the stuff I have, like with the air intake. I also have air intake in here as well, and the downpipe, the front pipe. The power just feels so much more smooth, man. Yeah, I'm just doing our regular route. Beautiful sunny day. It was raining yesterday. It's a nice Range Rover. It's around 2:37. The traffic's getting a little more picked up as well. Getting messages. Nah. Come on, sir. Okay, now we gonna throw this in sport. Yeah, no, this thing is quick, dude. It's so light, and like the fact that we tuned it, put the downpipe on here, that just has so much power. It just pushes. You can definitely get in trouble with this car now. Ain't no doubt about that. I'm kind of paranoid, dude. There be cops here sometimes. Yes, sir. The truck man is out of our way. The downshift. A few little burbles there. Slightly touch the throttle, nothing too crazy. Oh nah, FedEx is wildin'. That'll be good. And if we put it back in normal mode, it's not too aggressive. Just normal settings here. Let's throw that in sport. We're about to hit this yield. Nah, dude, this thing is fresh, boy. This thing is fresh. As you can see, it goes past 18 psi because factory tuned. It should not go past 18 psi, I believe. That's what I tested before when this car was stock. I don't know what the newer ones, because this one's a 22, so I'm not really sure if they changed that. Don't really think they would. Doing the speed limit. Oh, there's a guy flying behind me. Nice, slow it down. No, this guy tripped me out for a second. Is that 150 trying to get 30? I'll be going too quick, dude. This car is completely stock on the outside too, so people will be kind of surprised when they see this stock Civic just absolutely flying. So it's looking like a sleeper build. It's kind of funny because I haven't done any exterior mods right now, so I only tested the car. That's about it, but it's kind of funny to me. I'm definitely gonna lower it and, you know, change things after too. But right now, I was just kind of, this is the new addition I put because my warranty's over, so just been playing around with that type of stuff. It's a lot more confident than the car when you drive it on the road. Dude, it's just so effortless. It just does the speed so easily. Fourth right now. Sure, no one coming. Dude, there's a lot of traffic on the highway, man. Dude, this thing is quick. It just pulls, bro. It just keeps going. This thing's actually a lot of fun. This car just feels so much more alive now. Like, it just feels amazing. Because before it was kind of dull. Like, I got really bored of it before, but now everything just feels alive. The power is just so linear. And if we go back to normal, we'll just be chilling. It's still gonna build boost, of course, because the downpipe is gonna get in more air. So of course, normal mode is still gonna be a little more quicker. It might even push a little bit more PSI in normal too. I'm not sure. We can check that out right now. Got some burbles. Kind of slow down a bit. Okay, let's see how much. Yeah, so as you can see, it's like locked at 15 actually. It's like locked at 15 PSI. That's crazy. It would not go past that. I guess that's what the factory tune is. Man, this thing's a lot of fun, bro. Before, sport mode didn't actually do anything. It just put fake engine notes into the car and also adjusted the steering wheel and the throttle. Now it actually, the sport mode does something like how a performance vehicle should. It actually, there's a different tune to the sport mode. Shout out G-Wagon. Big man vehicle. It's fresh. Dude, there's a lot of traffic right now. That's insane. It's getting hot, bro. Plus 25 outside. Why is this right lane so congested? What is going on? Bro, just go around the trucks. People are tripping. Yeah, so in normal mode, everything's all good. Like, it's not too aggressive with the tune and anything. The engine stops at like 15 PSI, so this is what I'll mostly be driving in, honestly. Sport mode's just when I'm in a rush or I kind of gotta get past somebody. That's what I'm gonna use it for, just for spirited driving, stuff like that. Also, I do have to put 91, 93 octane in this because that's what the tune is made for, so I don't even want to know what happens if I don't put it in there. That's what the tune is made for, so I guess I wouldn't be optimizing the tune properly. I bet if y'all got some air noises in. Let's turn that down a little bit. Guess I might miss my exit, man. It's all good. I can take the next exit. There's way too much traffic right now, bro. Man, I'm really in love with this car again. I actually enjoy driving it. Like when I wake up, I actually feel like driving it. Like it's very, like it's a completely new car. It's like I got a new car. Bro, this thing is insane. I've never actually driven a fast manual car, so it's very different. Okay, I'm gonna go on this exit here. Some maneuvers. I also have an aftermarket clutch as well, so that's why I believe if I had the stock clutch in here, the clutch would be fried, it'd be slipping. The car would not be able to handle it, but luckily I have a new flywheel and clutch as well. So everything I did to the car, I have the front pipe, downpipe, air intake, tune, and then clutch. Yeah, it's everything that I kind of have packaged together in this car here. Outside's a stock look, nothing crazy about the outside. Just tinted the car. Yeah, that should be about the video for today, man. Overall, in love with the car again. This thing is amazing. Front pipe, downpipe, tune, best mods, hands down. Make sure you have an air intake. Make sure you upgrade the clutch if you are going to go this route. And I really appreciate y'all watching the video. You know, subscribe, like, comment, share, do all that good stuff, man. And you know, stay tapped in for the next videos. Like I said, I'm gonna be trying to drop once a week. Once a week is a pretty good time for me. You know, it's pretty easy for me to do. So yeah, hope you guys have a good day, man. Peace.